Igbo o'clock. Let's learn about anumano in Igbo. That's animals. The one we're concentrating on today is the one that exists in the forest or the bush. Kaniga, let's go. Odum, lion. Lots of persons argue about this. Odum, lion. Agu, tiger. Agu, owl, leopard. Agu, owl, leopard. Enyi, elephant. Enyinya, horse. Ele, deer. Lots of persons argue about this too. Mbada, antelope. Ebiogu. Ogu is the thorn on the animal. That's porcupine. Ebiogu. Ani ogologo. Or some persons say anu ogologo. That is giraffe. Some persons also call it olu ogologo. Giraffe. Do you think I missed any? Remember, the comment section is always open. And my Igbo book on list of names, animals, and every other thing is soon to hit you. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting for more.